What is up, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? We're doing Mandelbulb Mondays today. Let's get into it. So if you're wondering what a mandelbulb is, it's a fractal, specifically a power 9 polynomial that we've seeded with random coefficients to create some really trippy worlds. Now this is a symmetrical mandelbulb, and you'll see that I kind of spawned in this pit here. So I'm just going to jump up and see what we can see. You'll notice that the view distance is a lot farther than in the last videos, and that's because the game already has the ability to scale what kind of view distance you want. It's a command line property. The reason why the default is so low is just so that low quality hardware can still play the game. But you'll see that this place is really cool, and it really has some nice patterns to it, and wow, this is just amazing. So hopefully I'm not moving the camera too much for you, but I'll just go ahead and jump down here and see what we're gonna find over here. There's this like circle pattern over here. That would be a perfect place for a base. Oh wow, look at that over there. That looks amazing. So one thing I have to watch out for is I can die, but what I have, I've added some dev hacks so that we have the jetpack and grappling hook available in the free store for us. Oh wow, this is cool. This is really cool. So yeah, that's all the way down there at the bottom, guys. And this is kind of like the zero part here. Let me just trigger. Yeah, we're almost at y equals 0, so we're only halfway down. And if I jump down there, I will die easily. So I'm gonna go over here in this little platform. Oh, it didn't work. Okay, I had to select the jetpack before it would fire. But wow, this is pretty cool looking, huh? So one thing about the mandelbulbs is they're kind of spherical around the y, x, z equals 0 point. And sometimes they have interior and sometimes they don't have an interior, but this is a pretty large interior space. So I'm gonna use a grappling hook now. I'm just gonna jump off the side here and I'm gonna, oh, look at that. That's pretty cool, huh? This little thing. Oh man, you could turn this into an awesome base. This would be very cool, very cool. I need to watch out that I can't die, but look at the trippy design there. So the thing about fractals, it's a mathematical pattern. The Mandelbulb equation is just a power 9 polynomial with different coefficients. And it produces this really bizarre looking terrain here. I mean, this is just gorgeous. This is beautiful. Oh, what did I do? I thought I was using the jetpack, charging the beam. Oh man. So I want to see if this is a solid. Okay, it is solid. I wonder if we can go in here and find some apartments.
Resources unavailable. Resources unavailable.
Oh, we found something here. Oh, look at that. That's cool.
No power.
You never know what you're going to find in these things. The structure is always different. Oh, okay, I almost died. And you'll see that there's like a lot of the rare spawn earthworms and everything. I can't control that. That's just how the equation created the block tiles. Okay, this is the outside of it. You see it's a sphere, but the outside has an interesting structure. See if we can get back in here. This kind of looks like a mothership, you know, like from the outside. It's like, ooh, totally alien. Alright, we got drones coming out. We may die. But I think we've explored the extent of this particular one, so I might stop the video after I kill these things and kind of get back in here. So we can try out some other worlds. And we're back, ladies and gentlemen, inside the asymmetrical mandelbulb. Now, this looks cool. I haven't done any exploring here, but this is what it looked like when I spawned in. And wow, does this look awesome. Oh, okay. Always gotta select your item before you use it. So this is just like the other one, but it won't be symmetrical on both sides, or it may, it depends on how the coefficients line up, but I can already see that there is some difference happening just on between the axes, the X, Y, and Z axes. Now this is a really cool place, I gotta say. So one thing, like, why are we even doing Mandelbulbs? Like, what's the point? Well, a lot of people saw the first world, which is kind of like Minecraft style, and they said, hey, that's all it can do. But originally, the game was supposed to be Mandelbulbs, and you just warp between different worlds, achieving different obstacles. But the playtesters could not understand why they were going in Mandelbulbs from the very beginning. So I had to create a starting point, and these worlds are what you're going to warp into from that point. So there's a lot more exploring that can happen, and I just have to put the portal gun inside of the game so you can warp between these worlds. But oh man, I can already see that this is really cool. Alright. Ugh. Okay, I'm dying. Oh, I'm dead.
Shut him down.
Alright, spawn it back. I think I'm just gonna roll with the grappling hook. The jetpack is not as robust as I would like. Oh, look at that. That's so cool. So yeah, I want to know if there's anything inside that, but I don't think so. I think it's all grass inside. And this is probably closer to the bottom section of the map. Now, what I think happened with the coefficients is it most likely is very close to what you would find in the default Mandelbulb coefficients, but they just slightly changed. And so I see some expansions and some differences from that, but it seems very similar in structure to it. I'm going to try to get up on the outside and see if there's anything out on the exterior that might be interesting. Alright. You notice the cursor turned red when I hovered over on the sodium block. That's for your own safety. I put that in there for you guys. Oh, I fell. Oh, I'm falling. Oh, this is not good. Alright, we're underneath the map now. And I will never be able to get back in there, so I'm going to spawn a new world and see what we get next time, alright? And we're back again with the third asymmetrical Mandelbulb, ladies and gentlemen. So this is pretty cool. It's like the last one, but there's no roof on it. And I think we could probably go up there and see if there's anything up there. That's probably a good place to go. Down here on the side's also pretty nice, because it's lacking that side. I actually might be able to get around up top through that section there, so let me try that. Oh, okay, that's good, that's good. Oh, look at that. Oh. So this seems to be heavily filled with this silver. Okay, so this is a silver map. That is not as interesting as the other one because it had more compartments. This is a little bit more open. It kind of looks like a wreckage. That was not a good idea. Let's try that again. I'm just gonna jump right down there with the grappling gun. Wow, look at that. That's cool. So yeah, this could be a very good starter world, and then you can just kind of build up more stuff. But as for, you know, like a resource world, this will not be very good because it looks just like a lot of silver. Most of it's silver and grass, so you wouldn't really actually be able to craft anything with any of this. You'd have to add onto it. But anyway, guys, that's going to be the end for this video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you have any comments or suggestions, go ahead and leave them below on what you'd like to see. If you like these Mandelbulbs, we can do this on other days, but I think Mandelbulb Monday sounds pretty cool, so just let me know what you think, and until the next time, see you guys.